Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. What is this plant I'm surrounded by? You're not gonna believe what it is and how delicious it tastes. Could this be? Find out what, coming up. This is Jamaican Callaloo. It's a wonderful plant and a substitute for spinach. This is a delicious plant, and you can enjoy this many ways: sauteed. You can also enjoy this juiced. And it's loaded with all the good stuff you need. It is a powerhouse of nutrition right here. And our plant is going to seed right here because this is late in the season, and we'll harvest this seed. So if you follow us here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, you know that we believe in growing your own food is like printing your own money. And look at all the seeds we'll get from this Jamaican Callaloo plant. Now, we're gonna pick some of these and mix those in with our collard greens. So we're gonna do some collards, some kale, and some Jamaican Callaloo. We're gonna put some onions, some fresh garlic, and it is gonna be oh so delicious. We'll show you that in another video, but I just wanted to bring you outside the greenhouse and show you this wonderful plant that is, I'm 6'3", and it's taller than me. So this plant is close to 7 feet right now. And believe it or not, this plant is planted in part sun. So right now we're in part sun, and this probably would have done even better in full sun. So I just wanted to take you out and show you Jamaican Callaloo, and it's a wonderful, delicious plant. So make sure next year you grow Jamaican Callaloo in your garden too. Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.